let's make pan-fried salmon that tastes like heaven. We're going to pat dry our salmon fillets with a paper towel, and we're going to season them with salt and pepper and squeeze half a lemon juice all over it, and of course rub those salmon fillets with it. I'm then going to heat up my non-stick pan to medium-high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and of course we're going to pop those salmon fillets in with the flesh down and cook for another 3 minutes or so until they're a bit golden. We're going to flip those salmon fillets and cook for another 1 minute. Add in the butter with garlic cloves, minced, just press them in just like that. Add some chopped parsley and of course lemon slices. We're going to cook this for another 2 minutes. Don't be afraid to cover with the lid to let it cook faster. When the butter is slightly brown, we're going to pop this out and serve with our favorite side dishes. Drizzle with some butter from the pan, and of course use some salt and pepper if you need. And that's it. For more nutritious recipes like this, go to allnutritious.com, subscribe and like. Thank you.